Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the spacer that will push icons to the center. Right-click the taskbar and choose Toolbar's right arrow New Toolbar. If you don't yet have a folder, create one like C/empty toolbar and select it. Once added, unlock the taskbar so you can reposition separators. This gives you movable anchors. This first step establishes a flexible empty band you will expand. Once done, you're ready to shift the built-in app icons toward the middle using the new toolbar. Now you adjust the new toolbar to become an invisible spacer. Drag the thin separator beside the empty toolbar all the way left. That creates room between the left edge and your app icons. Next, right-click the empty toolbar and uncheck Show Title and Show Text to hide labels and make it invisible. Then, drag the app icon group toward the center until it visually aligns between the two separators. Make small nudges so icons sit exactly centered on your screen. Finish by locking the taskbar so the centered layout stays put. Right-click and choose Lock the Taskbar. If icons drift back left later, unlock, slightly adjust the separators to recenter, and lock again. Small nudges fix most shifts. If spacing breaks after an update or restart, remove the empty toolbar and recreate it. That resets the spacer geometry. One key troubleshooting tip: if icons won't center, ensure the empty folder is empty and the toolbar's title/text are hidden before locking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.